Hi kindergarten, it's Miss Willie again, here to teach you facts. Remember yesterday we talked about some new facts, and those are oddball facts, facts that haven't been covered by any of our other strategies. So today we're going to be focusing on those again. You're going to turn to 134B. Miss Willie is on the wrong side. 134B is the side we're going to be doing today. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at those 4 facts again. And moms and dads, if mom and dad are in the room, these would be 4 flashcards that would be really good for you to make and to practice, because the more you practice them, the better you're going to get and the faster it'll be. So these are 4 oddball facts, a little bit tricky, so this would be a great one to make homemade flashcards and practice those. Okay, so we have 9 minus 4 and 9 minus 5. We know that 4 and 5 together make 9. So those numbers, again, work as a team or as a fact family. So we know that 9 minus 4 is 5, and 9 minus 5 is 4. And at the same turn, we have 9 minus 3 and 9 minus 6. We know that 6 plus 3 is 9. Those numbers work together as a team or as a fact family. So we know that my 9 minus 3 is 6, and 9 minus 6 is 3. So remember, boys and girls, you're going to be able to use these answers up at the top to help you solve some of them in the 20 questions, okay, in your 20 problems. I'm going to go through and I'm going to identify them. And then I'm going to hold it up so you can circle them with your pencil. So when you're doing these in the 2 minutes, it's going to help you just be a little quicker and a little more efficient. Okay? So 9 minus 3, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, and 9 minus 4. Go ahead and circle all of those. And then that's going to help you just be a little bit more efficient during our 2-minute time. Okay, boys and girls, Miss Willie is actually going to give you an extra 10 seconds or so because I'm going to run and grab my phone. Okay, boys and girls, you've had more than enough time. Some of you might have even started because you're quick like that. I'm going to set my timer for 2 minutes. Are you ready? And begin. Okay, boys and girls, time is up. Awesome. Okay, are we ready? We're going to go ahead and we're going to go over the facts. Remember, if you get it correct, you're going to give yourself a dot. If you get it incorrect, you're going to cross it out and write the correct answer. And if you forgot one or missed one, go ahead and fill in the answer as we go through it, okay? Now, these are all facts that we are reviewing. For example, the very first one, up. Look, we can go up to the top. 9 minus 3 is 6. So go ahead and fill in your answer. Or I fill in my answer. You correct your answer. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 16 minus 8, 8, you're right. 9 minus 7, 2. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 12 minus 6, 6. 18 minus 9, 9. 8 minus 7, 1. 9 minus 6, oh, up at the top, 3. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 14 minus 7, 7. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. And the last one, 6 minus 3 is 3. Good job. Go ahead and put your total number correct up at the top. Remember, our goal is to do all 20 in 2 minutes. Good job today.
Hi friends, it's Wonderful Wednesday. And what's really wonderful is after we complete these 6 questions on paper 134B, you are officially done with kindergarten math worksheets. This is it. This is the very last paper of kindergarten math learning. Are you ready to begin? All right, I hope your name is on the paper. Very first thing. Let's begin by answering question number 1. A third is one of 3 equal parts. Circle the rectangle that is divided into thirds. Remember, it has to have 3 equal parts. Equal means the same size and the same amount. So, rectangle 1 is divided into 3 parts. Rectangle 2 is divided into 3 parts. Rectangle 4 is divided into 4 parts. So when we're trying to find the 3 equal parts, we know it can't be the last rectangle. That's divided into 4. Now, looking between rectangle 1 and 2, equal parts. Rectangle 1 does not have equal parts. So 3 equal parts would be rectangle number 2. Circle that. There are 9 girls and 8 boys in room 4. 3 boys went to the library. How many of the boys are in room 4 now? This question is asking about boys. Do we need to do anything with the information in the story about the girls? Nope. Just trying to trick us. So I'm going to cross off girls in the story. And I'm going to focus in on the 8 boys. 8 boys. What kind of strategy do you want to use to show 8? Now remember, 3 are going to the library, so it's a some and some went away. Can't use tally marks. But We can draw pictures with Daphne. We can count with the counting crocodile, Clark. We can hop with Haley the hopping hare. We could even break it up with Brian the breaking badger. There are so many math strategies we can choose. It's completely up to you. I'm going to use beginning sounds. B for boy. 1, 2. And after I draw my 8 B's, I'm going to go back and label them just to make sure that I have 8. Sometimes as I'm talking, I draw maybe too many, or I stop before I reach 8. I want to make sure that I have 8 so I can do my math question correctly for Upton, our understanding fish. So again, going back, labeling them, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. I have the 8 boys from room 4. Now to show that 3 went to the library, I'm going to cross them out. But I'm always going to start at the last number or the greatest number. 1, 2, 3. And now I can write my number sentence or equation. Emmy, the equation earthworm, will help us with this. 8 minus 3 equals, how many boys are left? 5. The answer is 5 boys. Let's continue on. How many pennies are shown? Well, I know that this square is one group of 100. There are 4 groups of 10 and 3 extra ones. One group of 100, 4 groups of 10, and 3 extra ones put together will equal the number 143. There are 143 pennies. Whoa. How much money is in the rectangle by box or rectangle 4? I see a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. And then I see a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. So if I start with my quarter worth 25 cents, I can use my plus 10 and figure out that it will now equal 35. That is 35 cents. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 2 more, and then we're complete. Number 5, write an addition and subtraction fact family using the numbers 3, 9, and 8. Now, if you remember from our previous day's learning, a fact family are numbers in a group of 3 that belong together that will always create an addition or subtraction fact. They can never leave each other. They are going to be stuck together. So let's begin by doing addition. Putting the numbers together to write equations. 3 plus 6 will equal 9. And then flip the 2 numbers around. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Now we're going to write this subtraction with our numbers. 9 minus 3, ooh, good thing Miss Willie taught us these, equals, those are the new facts we've been learning, is 6. And then 9 minus, flip it around, 6 equals the last number in the fact family, 3. There we go. Now those ones are a bit tricky, but it's okay. First grade, you'll get more practice. And let's end our math learning for kindergarten with plus and minus 10s and then our 3-digit equations. 94 minus 10 equals 84. 25 minus 10 equals 15. And your 3-digit equation. I know that 3 and 7 make 10. And then I have 6 left. 6 plus 10 equals 16. All right, my friends, that's it. It's our very last math worksheet. All that's left to do is complete our questions on Friday on the computer, and then we are done with our regular learning. Thank you for allowing me to be your teacher on the computer these last few weeks. I know that you have been trying your best, and that's all that we care about. Congratulations. Give yourself a big round of applause. Know that we love and miss you so very much, and we will see you on Friday for computer questions. Have a great rest of your wonderful Wednesday, and remember to be kind to the ones that you love.